Unexpectedly, I found a lot of, they say the still Biska Jatra is going on, so all around people are still celebrating, guys. But in this place, I love Sekuwa the most, so I came this place only to eat Sekuwa. So they are preparing Sekuwa, meanwhile I'm waiting. For now, I just want to have my starter with the Bara. Yo, what's up Nepal, what's up guys, hope everyone is doing well, Sanche Ununcha, and we are still exploring Nepal guys, the most amazing and richest country I can say when it comes to culture, religion, and it's just amazing. Just know this country is unique guys. And today I just came back to Bhaktapur, Durbar Square, just only to eat Sekuwa guys. I came here previously, I tried with a lot of different variety of food like bara and some food, but I love Sekuwa guys. So I came back today, I'm going to that place to eat Sekuwa guys. I'm going to eat Sekuwa. I came today only for that, and just unexpectedly I found a lot of, they say the still Biska Jatra is going on, so all around people are still celebrating guys. Guys, on my way to Bhaktapur, I saw almost like 4 different type of group wearing different dress, but they were making the same drum, guys. They were doing the same festival. They were celebrating the same thing. As I say, while I was coming inside here guys, like I found almost 4 different type of group of people, but they were wearing different dress guys, but the drums they were using it sound the same only. They were wearing red. Anyway guys, today vlog is special, it's different, okay? It's not about Biska Jatra, but anyway, Happy New Year to all the Nepalese people. Happy Biska Jatra and Happy New Year. You can go and watch the Biska Jatra vlog guys, it's really done and I really enjoyed. I recorded almost like 3 vlogs of Biska Jatra guys. It's already out, make sure to go and check it guys. Like the first day of Biska Jatra was is the day where I witnessed the thime dance, and the second day the second day of Biska Jatra, it was, they were pulling, there is one thing, they were pulling guys. Again guys, I found one team here. I found one team, wow. Another team here. second day of Biska Yatra, they were pulling something, and within that thing, they were lifting one load. They call it Pairap. And the last day is where they have. That was the Lingo. Yeah, Lingo Yatra was the last day. It was the last day, guys. The Lingo Yatra was the last day. So meaning that I made 3 vlogs, guys. Go and check it. Yeah, go and check it, guys. Today a lot of festival going on here, but I'm coming to eat Sekuwa, guys. Especially this vlog is for Sekuwa, the best Sekuwa ever I tried in Bhaktapur. So I'm coming to the place. Another team also there. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Hi. How are you? She's the best when it comes to Sekuwa, guys. I'm coming back here only to eat at Sekuwa. And last time I ate Bara also. Yeah. Sekuwa, last time. Sekuwa. Sekuwa, okay? Last time I came here, guys, I ate Sekuwa. It was so nice. I won again. Sekuwa. And today is so shiny day in Bhaktapur. A lot of festivals going on, guys. It's a beautiful day here. Now I got Bara, guys. Yeah, but in this place I love Sekuwa the most, so I came this place only to eat Sekuwa. So they are preparing Sekuwa, meanwhile I'm waiting for Sekuwa. So the best content here is Sekuwa, but they also have nice Bara. But in Bhaktapur I fell in love with Sekuwa. That's why I said call me Sekuwa, guys. Yeah, because the way she make her Sekuwa, guys, you won't believe it. It used to be so juicy. I can't wait, guys, to have it. For now, I just want to have my starter with the Bara. This is egg Bara, guys. I also tried. I tried the mixed Bara, but since I'm going to have my Sekuwa, so no need to have mixed Bara. Those are the most famous food you will find here in Bhaktapur. They added some soup, buff soup, guys, made it more juicy and so tasty. I wasn't aware. I think next time when you come around here, guys, make sure to ask for the soup, because the first time when I ordered this, they gave me only Bara, but it was dry. Like I didn't eat it with the soup, but now I came to know that it's so best. It's amazing when you eat it with the soup, guys. It's really so nice when you eat with the soup. Yeah. This is so amazing, guys. Come to this shop. Believe me, guys. The price is affordable and it's so tasty. When you want to have your bara, make sure to ask them for the soup. It will make it delicious, guys. And Happy New Year to all the Nepalese people. Biscuit Yatra is going on. Today is so fun here, guys. It's so fun. This Yatra is going almost for 5 days here. Let me enjoy my bara first, then I will take you. I'll take you there, guys. This is so amazing. I'm waiting for Sekuwa, just relax and wait. Let me enjoy my Sekuwa, guys. Let me enjoy. This is what I came for, guys. Last time I ate it and I was so impressed, guys. So I came back again to Bhaktapur and let's have it for the second time. Yeah. Guys, really honest, guys. This is the best Sekuwa I'm eating here, and I told you this is for the second time I came here. Like the way she make it is just so unique, and I really love it. That's why I came back again here and to eat it. So this is so delicious, and it is also so affordable, guys. This is so amazing. You can call me Sekuwa, okay? Best food, my best Newari food, Nepali food now, so far is Sekuwa, guys. Sekuwa is my #1 food. This is so amazing. It's raining, guys. But anyway, I got my food. This is 9, guys, 9 out of 10. I love it. See you guys. Happy New Year.